Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another pick a card reading which is going to be, are they falling in love with you? Whoever it is that you love and you wonder and you want to know if that person is also falling in love with you or not, then this reading is definitely going to get you the answer to that. I have two piles here, yellow pile and green pile. Pick whichever pile you want to choose to see the answer to your question. I've already pulled out oracle cards as well for both the piles as well. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. And if you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. Let's start the read with the pile yellow. Let's see, for the people who are choosing yellow pile, let's find out, are they falling in love with you? Yes or no? Yellow pile. Let's take the oracle cards aside and let's find the answer to the question. Nine of Cups, Eight of Swords. Yes, they are, but there are certain blocks that they feel when they think of this connection. They do have love for sure. You are somebody who they would love to be with, but then there are some other blocks. Like for some of you, it could be religious differences. For others of you, it can be social, financial differences as well. For others of you, maybe they are feeling blocked in a way right now to pursue this connection. But yes, they are falling in love with you. They do see you as their wish fulfillment. They would love to be with you. They would love to have a future with you. But at the same time, they do see that there are certain mental blocks, physical blocks, or emotional blocks within this connection that they have with you. Let's see the oracle now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. If you have been away from this person, and if you have or if you are in a separation or some sort of detachment with your person, maybe it's very important for you to heal your connection by imagining, feeling that the connection is being healed by the angels, by the heavens. You can use that. Let's see more cards. A new start is coming, new moon. Around the new moon time, you can expect a new beginning coming within the same connection. For some of you, I feel like your person could be maybe they are tied up in a situation where they cannot pursue the connection right now or express their love and come forward right now. But yes, they will be coming forward once they are ready, once they are free from something which is keeping them blocked right now. They would come forward, they will express their love for you. Let's take some cards to see what is it that's blocking them. What is it that's blocking them? What is it that's blocking them? Let's try to find that out. What is it that's blocking your person? Let's see. What is it that's blocking them? It could be something related to their work scenario. It could be something related to their work life. They are busy with that. They are invested in that, and they don't have much time right now to come forward to express love or to tell you even that they have love for you. They are working towards their stability right now. That's their prime focus. That's what is keeping them busy right now. Once they get done with it, they will be coming forward to express their love for you. Now, it's very important for you to understand one thing. This person really knows that you love them. They are so 100% sure. Whether you are not sure or not, whether you are unsure or whether you are also having this feeling that yes, this person loves you, but this person is so sure that you love them, and maybe this person is taking their due time to get done with whatever it is that is keeping them busy right now, because they know deep down that you will be waiting on for them. So that's what I'm picking up, and I feel like a new beginning will be coming soon for the two of you within this connection with this specific someone, whoever it is that you're dealing with. So yeah, there's pretty much it coming up for the people who chose the yellow pile. Let's move on to the green pile. Let's see. Whoever it is that you are asking about, let's find out, are they falling in love with you? Yes or no? Let's find out. Six of Wands, the High Priestess. Yes, the answer is a yes. I feel like whoever it is that you are dealing with, you might be able to pick the signs coming from the universe around this connection as well. You might be hearing their name. You might be seeing people who on TV, on social media, who can make you think of this person and the connection that you share with this person as well. So there are some signs the universe has been showing you when it comes to your person and the way they feel for you. There is strong love that they have for you. For some of you, your person could be somebody who's very famous and rich as well, and Yes, I feel like, your person feels very drawn to you on the soul level. I feel like, there is a soul pull that you have for each other, or maybe your person has for you if you don't feel that way for that person. But yes, I feel like, your souls are already tired. And there is like, a successful connection waiting for the two of you in future. I feel like, your connection is going to go long term. Once you come together, once you express love for each other, I do see that there is a chance of this connection ending, in the way that you cannot even think of right now. Why? Because there is a soul connection, there is this divine help which is trying to, tell you both that you both are meant to be. So you could pick up some signs coming from the universe around those lines. You might be hearing them in your dream, you might be seeing their name, you might be seeing people on screen, on social media, you might be seeing people who make you think of this person and only this person as well. So there is some sort of divine thing happening around there, around the two of you in this connection, which makes you feel like, you need to think about this person. So there is a push that the universe is like, getting you to, together with. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Sacred union, honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. I feel like, there is a soul connection between the two of you, and I feel like, you will be coming together forever, because there is this divine connection as well within this connection, whether you see it coming right now or you don't. But yes, this is something which is meant to happen. Let's see the last card here. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius could be a significant time frame when it comes to this connection that you have with this person. Maybe they will be expressing their love around that time. Maybe they will be like, opening up about their feelings, or maybe they will be taking this connection to the next level with you around that very time. Now, it's very important for you too, since like I said, I feel like, for some of you, you can pick up the signs from the universe. For others of you, you cannot. If you still feel that there is something between the two of you which is sacred, which is beautiful, which is, something special, I would suggest you to use visualization technique to make it come true quick. Use that. Look at the bigger picture. Look at the picture that you desire for your future self to have with a specific someone. Use that visualization technique to manifest it quicker for yourself. But yes, this person is definitely falling in love with you, and they will be giving you signs. They might not be saying it directly. You might not be even to pick up, that coming from this person. But yes, they will be saying that indirectly through different means, that yes, they are falling for you for sure. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. So yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care and bye bye.